This is a rational expression. In order to add these or subtract them, we are going to have to factor the right side of the denominator over here. And then we are going to get a common denominator, which will allow us to subtract the numerators. So in order to solve this, we are going to set up what I like to call the X game. The X game simply multiplies 2 times 3, and we're going to write that product up here. And then we're going to write our middle B term at the bottom. So what we are looking for are factors of 6, that is two numbers that multiply together to give us 6, that will add together to give us 5. Let's list out the factors of 6. So here we're going to have 2 times 3 is going to be the right combination so that we can factor this. I like to use the bottoms up method here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to write our set of parentheses here using the two numbers that we just found. Since we have a 2 out front, we're just going to divide both of these terms here by 2 and 2. When they divide evenly, we're going to simplify them. So this one, 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So this set of parentheses is going to be x plus 1. Since this set is not an even number, what we can do is rewrite this 2 in front of our x. So it's going to look like this. So now this is the new denominator for our second fraction over here. Let's rewrite this. We're going to have 3 over 2x plus 3 minus 2 over x plus 1 times 2x plus 3. In our denominators, you can see that they both share this term, but this fraction is missing this term. So what we have to do is multiply this fraction by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Now, we don't have to FOIL the denominator. We can just leave it as is, but we are going to distribute these terms to the 3. So we're going to have 3x plus 3 minus 2. And since we have the same denominator, we can go ahead and just write it as a single denominator. Now we can combine these two terms up here. So we're going to have 3x plus 1 over x plus 1 times 2x plus 3, and that's going to be our entire answer.